Hello there, lovelies. How are you doing? I know you're probably still sore, and I'm so sorry for that. But I wanted to first of all thank you all for coming to our annual Sideline Prep Pro and Semi-Pro Cheer and Dance Audition Prep Workshop. We had so much fun. It was a huge success. We had almost 140 lovelies in attendance just dancing their booties off. We had 12 sponsors there, 6 coaches, and just a lot of fun. So thank you so much for coming and supporting. We had lovelies from California, from Florida, from North Carolina, Georgia, New York, Pennsylvania, Delaware, and of course the DMV. So thank you for coming. Oh, and I cannot forget, we had 2 lovelies from Tokyo, Japan as well. So it is an international workshop for the 2nd year in a row, and we are very happy and proud about that. I also wanted to congratulate those of you that attended the mock audition on Sunday. We had about 40 ladies who got one-on-one up close and personal feedback from the Redskins, the Ravens, and the Wizard Girls, and our fitness coach, GeNienne. So congratulations to you all for showing up and doing such a wonderful job. And thank you again for everyone and for your support. I really appreciate it. Of course, give a shout out to our coaches that were there in support and all of the ladies that are on current pro and semi-pro teams. You know, I did want to give you all a couple of reminders. I promised that I would send out the video and give you all audition dates and all of that. So be on the lookout in a couple of days for the videos from the actual dances that you all learned at the workshop. So those will be edited and sent out to you very soon. Also, reminders, make sure that you continue to post your amazing photos. Use hashtag SPProCheerWorkshop. I absolutely love seeing all of the photos that you took at the workshop, so keep those coming. Also, be sure to connect with us on social media. That's how you're going to stay in the know with everything that we know, because we pass it on to you. So go ahead and connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, of course Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So a couple of things that I did want to make sure that you all knew about. It was just so much information that was given out at the Pro Cheer workshop. So just a couple of reminders. Our Pro Cheer Playbook program, I have received a couple of emails just asking how you can be involved and how you can join that program. For those of you that don't know, we have a 70% success rate of ladies that join that program and then go on to eventually make a semi-pro or pro team. So we're very proud of those results. Our next program will be launched in the probably April-May timeframe. If you want to get on the wait list for that and be notified first, then you can just go to the link down at the bottom and you can sign up for the wait list so that you get all of the information. I'll post all of that information below. Also, don't forget we have our 2 sideline photo shoots coming up, and those are basically to get you ready for the auditions that are coming up here February, March, and April timeframe. Drew Zeron, who is our amazing photographer, will be there shooting. As a reminder, he is the photographer for the Washington Redskins cheerleaders, and he's also done shoots for the Wizard Girls for their calendar. So super excited to, of course, have him on board and helping us with those pictures. We also have sideline technique classes for those that are in the area. So February, we have 3 more classes coming up, so don't forget about those. And we have one-on-one sessions. So if you need individualized attention, our coaches are here to help you. We offer those over Skype and in person. So if you are out of town, you are not out of luck. You can actually work with our coaches via Skype as well. And they can help you on anything from dance style, dance technique, hair flips, so that you can, have a sore neck, your interview skills, your overall appearance, fitness, any and everything, modeling, posing. They can help you with all of those things if you do need that one-on-one attention and feedback. So just keep that in mind as well. So those are all of the things that we have in store over the next couple of months to get you ready for the auditions that are right around the corner. The other thing that is going to be posted below are all of the audition dates that were announced and have been announced, and a couple that were actually announced at our actual workshop. I don't want to rely on my memory. So all of the dates will be below, but also wanted to give a quick shout out to all of our Sideline Prep sponsors. You can go to sidelineprep.com/sponsors to see all of them. And just about every sponsor gives you a discount just for being a Sideline Prep Lovely. It doesn't get any better than that. But then for our Pro Cheer workshop, we had event sponsors as well. So I wanted to just give them a shout out for coming to the workshop and taking their time out of their busy schedule to help you, assist you, answer your questions. So really quick, Lash Moi, who's actually been a sponsor since the beginning of Sideline Prep, and they actually do the microblading and then also lash extensions and a lot more. For Audition apparel, we had Satin Stitches. Very excited to have Satin Stitches as a new sponsor this year. Drew Zeron, of course, was there. He's there almost every single year. That is our photographer, and we're very honored to have him on board. Also with Fitness with GeNienne Chandler. She was there. She's also, of course, our Sideline Prep Nutrition and Fitness coach. So Fit with GeNienne was there. Capital Movement's fundraiser brunch is this coming up weekend. I am actually the host, so I will put the link below there. So come out, please, and support them. Also, they have their Heal series that's in full swing right now, so would love to have you out at some of those dance classes as well. So that's about it. I know it's a lot of information, but I wanted to make sure that I gave you those reminders. All of the audition dates, all of the links, everything is below, so please take the time to go ahead and look at that. I've gotten a lot of emails so far, so I wanted to hurry up and shoot this video and get all that information out to you. Again, within the next few days, maybe early next week, I will be sending out all of the links for the videos, for the dances that you learned. You walked away with 4 routines. You know how to freestyle now. You walked away with a sore body. You got tons and tons of questions answered from the pros themselves, from current and former pro cheerleaders. So hopefully you felt that the event was well worth your time, and based on the feedback, I think that is definitely the case. So again, thanks so much for your support. Can't wait to see you at the event next year. But in the in-between time, obviously, if you need any help whatsoever, please reach out to our sponsors. Go to those prep classes, go to those workshops. Contact us at info@sidelineprep.com if you need that one-on-one help or just have a general question. Feel free to reach out to us. All right, that's all for now. Have a great evening or day or morning, and I will talk to you later. Bye.